गुड इवनिंग, नमस्कार एवरीवन। जैसा कि आपने पोस्ट में देखा था, आज का जो टॉक शो है वो बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण टॉपिक पर है। हैबिट्स टू ओवरकम एंड अवॉइड बैक पेन। कई लोग जो जानते हैं मुझे, उनको पता है कि बैक पेन मैंने कितना सफर किया है। बैक पेन को लेकर कहा जाता है कि बैक पेन रिस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम के बाद सबसे ज़्यादा जो तकलीफ और परेशानी है दुनिया में लोगों को, वो बैक पेन, जॉइंट पेन, जिसमें कि स्पॉन्डिलाइटिस और नी पेन सभी आ जाते हैं। और बैक पेन मैंने खुद बहुत ही फेस किया है 23 ईयर की उम्र से लेकर के, अभी भी होता है कभी-कभी। तो ये ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है जिसमें कि स्पेशली जो कॉर्पोरेट में और जो एक्सिटिंग जॉब में है उनको तो फेस होता ही है, प्लस और भी लोगों को होता है। तो इसके लिए मैंने आज रिक्वेस्ट किया है, जो इस फील्ड में एक्सपर्ट हैं, डॉक्टर हैं, जो गेस्ट हैं आज के, डॉक्टर गुरप्रीत कौर। उनने भी इसके बैक पेन से रिलेटेड एक्सपीरियंस किया है और उन्हीं से हम जानेंगे कि इसके कैसे अवॉइड कर सकते हैं, कैसे ओवरकम कर सकते हैं और सब कुछ एवरीथिंग रिलेटेड टू बैक पेन। So without any further delay, I would request and invite, please help me welcome Dr. Gurpreet Kaur for this to discuss and know more about back pain. So doctor, if you are here, if you can listen me. So
Yeah.
first of all, welcome to our show and thank you very much. I'm so humble and grateful for you for accepting my invite and coming to this show.
Thank you so much for the invitation. I'm glad to be here.
Okay. So as I got to know in one of the session that you also faced and have experienced the back pain. So I want to know from you why back pain happened. Like, what are the reason people are facing back pain, and then we will talk about the solution and how to avoid and all those things. So first of all, how why people get in what the circumstances and situation people get back pain.
Well, back pain was always there. I mean, in all ages. It wasn't there in all ages initially, but in old age we used to, come across people that they are suffering from back pain. But nowadays, if you see, many young people are complaining about this, and even kids. So, according to my research and my work done on this, I feel that one of the major reason for the back pain is our sedentary lifestyle. And the researches that are going on, they also, acclaim this to the first thing to the sedentary lifestyle, and second is prolonged sitting, which has become the new normal in the age of computers and all that gadgets. So these are the two major reasons. Another, accept this, that though people are very much aware about the exercise, yoga, and they tend to do it, but sometimes doing it in over way, that strains some muscles, and or doing it the wrong way, that also hurts them. So this is the third important reason for the back pain.
Okay, so now I can correlate that because I was working in job just in front of computer for 8 to 10 hour of shift, and when I get into work, hardly maximum in those 8 to 10 hours, 2 or 3 times I used to get up from my chair. So and
Yeah,
sitting
that
at
that's the actual reason. Like, sitting is okay. Like, we have to work. We have no other options. Now this is the new way of working. We cannot go and pick up the things and lift heavy weights and all that and work like that. No, this is the way we have to work in the corporate sector or in the ITES, BPO, KPO, everywhere. Like, most of the employment is in this sector, and most of the employment is working is done on the computers, right? So
yes.
we have to sit. We cannot prevent it anymore now. So prevention is now lost. That prevention part is lost. Now the point comes that we should be aware that how the sitting is going to affect us. Maybe we are not suffering back pain today, but after 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, as and when you become more and more sedentary, more and more confined to one area, like this in COVID period, we have started working from home. So working from home, that means we are in now we only need to walk through our bedrooms to our drawing rooms to our lobbies or at the max in our balconies, right? So there was no scope of going out of the house during the COVID era.
Yes.
So there was no movement, no physical activity. Now household work, that doesn't help you relieve the back pain, not at all. Work is different and exercise is different, right? So we have to manage now. We have to manage these two things, work and our health, and specifically spine in our health.
So, do you also see the reason, like if someone is sitting in air condition, like at the temperature of 23, 26, because I mostly faced back pain when I sit in air condition. So, does air condition also affect? I mean,
Yeah. Actually, these are the aggregating factors. Like when a person doesn't have any pain, no back pain, nothing, AC won't hurt, right?
okay, okay,
Yeah. But when you already have that problem, then these become the aggregating factors. Then AC becomes the aggregating factors. Winters become the aggregating factors. As the temperature started, going down, like in Delhi or in the North India, so the people start facing more of the joint pains in the winters. So that goes also for the back pain,
okay,
right? Yeah, because again, the reason is that the cold is outside, the weather is cold, and your body already has that spasm or non flexibility, and the winters of the season is affecting it. Like the dip temperatures, they are aggregating that spasm and the constriction of the body. So it is
okay.
one of the contributing factors, right?
And what is the role of the posture? Like, because some people have bad posture, like sitting in one particular direction, like inclined to one particular direction, or bending. Their spine are not straight. So, what is role of the posture also? If you can tell about that.
Actually, sitting hurts because it changes or tends to change the posture of our spine. That is the problem with sitting. Because our spine has particular structure. It's convex at places, it's concave at places, right? But
Yes.
when we sit, we cannot sit like straight back all throughout the day for long 8 hours. That is why it is advised to get up in between, say after every 30 minutes to 45 minutes. You need to get up from your seat. Even if you have to only have to pick up a paper or a book, you should get up after every 30 to 45 minutes. Those who don't have any problem, this is for them. And those who already have some problem in their spine or their back hurts, then they need to get up after every 15 to 20 minutes. No, that is not possible practically, right? Because 15-20 minutes we tend to get engrossed in our subject, and then we continue working for hours together.
Yes.
Yeah, so that should be mindful. I mean, that is mandatory. There is no escape from this thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So, like, does weight, like overweight, or somebody is obese and like fat tummy, that also one of the cause of back pain? Is it also a
Yes,
reason?
yes. Again, these are the contributing factors because excessive weight changes the center of gravity of our body, and our spine holds its position due to the gravity, right? So
Yes.
when the center of gravity changes, the back hurts.
Great.
Like we
So,
bend, we change the shape of the spine. We put on weight, so the gravity changes. Again, that puts a pressure on the spine, and it leads to the unnatural position of the spine.
nice. So we have explored various reason, I mean,
Mhm.
probable cause of back pain. So do you see any other reason apart from what we discussed already for benefit
Yes,
of
yes.
audience? Any other?
Some few of the people, they have some underlying disorders, like they have some problem in spine, like tumors or some inflammatory diseases like arthritis. Maybe that arthritis is not of spine, but it is going to affect, of late, it is going to affect the spine as well. So when the person already has some underlying disease that would uh, contribute to the back pain, then one thing I want to enforce here, being a mental health advocate, that when a person is stressed out, a person undergoes depression or any mental disorder for the long time, so that psychological disorder manifests itself in the form of some physical disease.
Yes.
I think you remember that one person shared with us in the other session that her depression got so much exceeding the limit that it got into her spine and she suffered the back pain.
Mm. Yes.
So, so that is also one of the reasons, and that is the very important reason actually that we tend to ignore because we are all stressed out, right? So we have some physical problems and then we have that stress issue, and all these combined together actually make the things worse for us.
So this reminded me, sometime back I read a book called You Can Heal Your Life, where Louis Hay described I mean, all the disease, whatever it happened, it is because of the mental state. And the reason of back pain was mentioned that person is having this thought process of lack of money. So lack of money thought basically brings or converted into back pain. So that is when I was thinking that in India we have this says na that kamar tod महंगाई or
Right.
finance is related to kamar kamar toot gayi
Yes,
and something.
yes, yes. Actually, you know what? I don't know exact. I haven't read this book, so I cannot comment on that part. But mental health is so much ignored that we even underrate the importance of this mental issues in the treatment of normal physical disorders. That is very much underrated. So through your platform I need to enforce that also, that good mental well-being or good state of mind will definitely help you prevent and cure so many disorders.
Okay, so doctor, in on Facebook Live, I got a question from Ravindra Singh
Yeah.
that do we have difference in back and cervical pain? Does it connect with stress? The difference in back
Yeah,
pain and
yeah.
cervical pain,
Yes,
does it connect
actually,
with stress?
general term for back pain means the pain in the lower back, right, towards the lumbar area, right? When you sit, the immediate area above your hips, that
Yes,
is the low back area, right? That
yes.
is the lumbar area. General back pain means that the person has a back pain in the lumbar area. But if you talk about medical terminology, back pain can extend anywhere from the neck to the hips.
Okay,
Yeah, that is a medical terminology. And but in normal language, back pain means lower back pain.
yes.
Yeah.
So, is there any connection between lower back pain and the cervical, this spondylitis and all? Is there
If
any
you,
connection?
yeah. If you, if you want me to relate it medically, then on paper there is no connection because low back pain is treated in a different way and cervical pain is defeated and treated in a different way. But
Okay,
from my personal experience, I can say when cervical pain, it goes up when the if I want to scale the pain on a rate on a if I want to rate the pain on a scale of 1 to 10, so if I have a cervical pain of about 7 8 point and I have a lumbar pain of 4 5 point, but together they make a mess out of my day, I tell you, because the whole of the spine gets hurt eventually. It may
okay,
start from one, but it may, if not taken care of, it may extend to the different regions of the spine. For that matter, I'll give you a quick, review of the knowledge of the spine. That upper part at the back of the neck is the cervical part. Then the low back, I already told you. Then between those two parts is the thoracic part. That is thorax, we call chest, and the back part of the chest. Now that cervical area, when it cervical pain basically, when it is ignored, it tends to go down to the thoracic area, like at the back of the chest also, because the muscles involved are like that if one muscle is getting hurt, then the second will start getting hurt, then the third will start getting hurt. They are arranged in layers like that. And when cervical and thoracic, both the areas are hurt, low back, eventually it will get hurt.
Okay.
So in a way they are connected, but medically they are different entities to be treated.
It is so deep that you have explained. So thank you very much for that. So before we get into how to avoid, how to overcome, and that. So before that, I got a question from one of the viewer that asking he want to know about what is this mental health advocate thing. So for him, it is something new terminology. So if you can
Yeah.
explain about that, it will be good.
Yeah, actually, during as you know, that I myself have experienced a lot of, extended phase of back pain. I would say extended because it extended over the years and not days, weeks, or months. So actually it got onto my head, like physical problem got into my mental health, because there are some so bad days that you cannot do even daily activities, and with small kids around, it was so saddening for me too, that I cannot take care of my newborn because I'm hurt with my back pain. I'm down with my back pain. So I started realizing that for this, to get out of this back pain, treatment is necessary, definitely. But other than that, I need to work on my mental health also. Now, that mental health was like, ki, this disease cannot hold me back from going further in my career, in my life, or with my daily course as well. So that is how I started working on this. And now I strongly believe that if mental well being is taken care of, a lot many things can be cured at a very initial phase. So now I have become a mental health advocate, in a sense that I want to work with people on their mental health, which is in India is totally ignored. So that is
Okay.
how the terminology comes, mental health advocate.
Great. So this also reminded me because we learned in NLP that mind and body is part of same system. So pain first comes in mind and then it is I mean, get in the body.
Your
So
body, right,
great.
right.
Yes.
Yes.
So like how people, especially I'm talking about the people who is working on the computer, maybe in office or from home for longer period of time, like 8-10 hours, sometime more.
Yes.
So what would you advise, like some of the habits and how they can overcome it and how to avoid?
See, whether to avoid or to overcome, there is very slight difference, right? So I
Yes.
would speak out some points that everybody, whoever is working on the computers, should follow, whether they have any problem or they don't, right?
Okay.
First of
Yes.
all, first thing is, please make sure that if you have to work for the longer hours on the computer, you need to get up at least after every 1 hour. Maybe go and drink a glass of water, don't do anything, or go and pat on your friend's back, how are you. So but you need to get up. You cannot sit on the chair for more than 1 hour. Maybe schedule an alarm system on your mobile, that would help. Or maybe ask your wife or your husband to call you up and tell you, please get up from the chair, now it's the time. I mean, do whatever, but make it a habit. That
Okay.
is the one most important thing, that you need to get up after every 1 hour, come
Okay.
what may be, right?
Yes.
Second, that we youngsters, we tend to avoid walking, right? We do not do anything going by on our feet. Like we tend to go by bikes or cars and go to markets or whatever we have to do. We are very short on time and we tend to do everything fast and fast and fast. And in that problem, what we do is we avoid walking when we actually can. even if we are not habitual of morning walk or evening walk, right? I'm
Yes.
giving this as a substitute for the morning walk, okay? Though morning walk has its own importance, but for the since you asked me about the back pain, so mobility is the fun thing. So
Okay.
to include that mobility in your daily routine, I'm giving this thing. If you can go for a walk, that is the best. Either in the morning or in the evening, you need to walk for about 30 to 45 minutes daily. That would give the required mobility to the spine, flexibility and mobility. Actually, what happens when you sit for the longer hours, your spine, the muscles around that spine, they lose the strength, and the building of the strength is very easy by only walking. This is the easiest you can do, other than the muscle strength training in the gym. If you can afford to, if you have time, and if you have the required resources, right? But then walking is minimum you can do and you should do to avoid the back pain.
Got
So
it.
if you cannot go for a long morning walks, evening walks, or night walks, you can at least do small little things by like you want to go to buy milk or you want to go to buy groceries. Try going by feet. Try to avoid some vehicle. At least you will give this some mobility to your body. So this is the first thing, that mobility, and then getting up in between intervals, then taking good care of your eating habits. Now, how does eating affects your back pain? We didn't discuss this point, but again, this is very important, because if you do everything, but you are lacking the required nutrition for your body, so you cannot, cope up with the stress around, or the
Okay.
physical effort you need to put in. Lack of, deficiency of calcium, vitamin D, magnesium, all these can lead to back pains. So
Nice.
have to include your healthy stuff in your diet, like green vegetables, dairy products, and egg if you're a non-vegetarian person. So definitely the good diet is going to help you a lot. And third thing, exercise. Exercise, you can do mild exercise at home if you are all okay. Like if you don't have that back pain, or once or twice, like not very often, but कभी कभी होने वाली जो बैक पेन होती है, तो you can go for light exercises. Move your neck like this, forward, backward, that way, every way around. Like move, try to move all the joints of your body. This is the minimum exercise you should do. And if you can go for yoga, that's awesome. There is, yoga has contributed a lot to a healthy life. And for spinal problems, there are so many asanas, Bhujangasana, then Shavasana, and so many other asanas that actually help you relieve the pain, spasm, and give you required flexibility.
Thank you very much, doctor, to bring this point of yoga. So I would like to tell to all the viewers that I was having back pain from 2003, and in 2011, until then, I have gone through all the like medication like allopathy, homeopathy, Ayurveda, Panchkar, massage, X-ray, everything was done. But in 2011, when I started doing Surya Namaskar, that
Yeah.
is the key I got. Like whenever I do Surya Namaskar for few days, my back pain used to be, I mean,
Goes away.
not there. And like after some day, when I stop Surya Namaskar, again back pain after few days, few weeks, it will start. And then again I start doing Surya Namaskar, then again it will be cured for at least few days or few months. So that is the key I got, that for back pain, Surya Namaskar.
Yeah, actually, the people who have back pain, including me, I would say, we are so afraid of moving our body, because like we do not want to face that challenge again when we had the acute episode. मतलब जब बहुत ज्यादा दर्द होती है, तो वी आर लाइक कि नहीं, हम वो काम करें ही नहीं कि जिससे दर्द हो. तो वो हम रुक जाते हैं वो मूवमेंट देने से बॉडी को, या वो पोस्चर में दोबारा आने से. बट यू नो व्हाट, बैक पेन कैन बी रिलीव्ड ओनली बाय मूविंग अराउंड.
अच्छा. moving around.
Yeah, this is the irony with back pain actually.
Yes. So some people might be wondering why I bring this point of back pain, because if I have suffered something in like physical health or pain, that was the back pain. And I remember few of time I was not able to get up from bed, just even to open the door. And once I cancelled my international travel just because of back pain. So that is so severe. That is
Yeah.
what. So do you have any like experience you have seen people or youngster, you was telling that youngster is also facing this problem. So any case which you would like to share about the back pain which has the severe or faced big problem?
Yeah. I actually know one of my friends. He is so much down with the back pain, and he has actually tried so many things that he has problem in all the three regions of the spine, like cervical, thoracic, and lumbar as well. That he says that out of 365 days, my 200 days of the year are wasted due to this back pain. That he's not productive. So that is the intensity of his back pain. And the bad effect, the way he is, we have to manage, right? The back pain when it gets that severe. Now, but the other problem that is arising in him is now he's going towards depression.
Oh,
So that is where it is hurting me time and again when I come across such people that chronic diseases do lead to mental health issues, and most of them are depression. And one of the surveys is that by the end of 2020, because COVID has shown so much, has bring in so much sufferings for everybody, that by the end 2020 year has ended up, there are one in every four people who is suffering depression, maybe due to financial issues, maybe due to health issues, or n number of reasons are there. But the point is that people who are having physical problems, they are suffering more, they are getting more trapped into this depression. So it is very important for us to understand that a good state of mind is very important to come out of any tough condition, even when it comes to physical health.
great. So nice, doctor. Somewhere I read this quote or one line that स्वस्थ रीढ़ स्वस्थ शरीर.
Absolutely.
So, I mean, if you like, so much of importance have been given to this spine in the physical body.
Right,
So,
right.
we have a question from one of the viewer that it has been said once backbone undergo and acquire pain, it never get healed but suppressed. So is it something like back pain? If once someone faced, it will not go for permanent. It will be always there. Only it can be suppressed. So how is
See, it depends that what damage has it caused to the spine. I would
okay?
not say that it would never go away. No, it's not that. But on the other hand, I would never say that as well, that it would not come again. It would go and it can come back. You know, जब आप ठीक हो जाते हो तो आप सारी precautions छोड़ देते हो.
छोड़ देते हैं.
तो
Yes.
आना ही है, फिर तो वापस आना है. एक बार आपका अगर स्पाइन वीक हो गया और
जी.
आपने प्रिकॉशंस उसके बाद छोड़ दिए, तो वो वापस आएगा. पर
हाँ.
ऐसा नहीं है कि ये कभी जाएगा ही नहीं. अभी धर्मेंद्र जी ने ही बताया कि जब वो सूर्य नमस्कार करते हैं, तो 10 टू 15 डेज या मोर ऑफ द टाइम ड्यूरेशन बैक पेन नहीं होता है. इवन आई माई सेल्फ हैव एक्सपीरियंस दिस. काफी टाइम तक कई बार ऐसा अच्छा फेज निकल जाता है दैट वी डू नॉट फेस दैट बैक पेन, है भी, भूल भी जाते हैं कि कभी था भी, बट देन सडनली इट कम्स बैक. तो ये आता है बिकॉज अगेन हम क्या करेंगे कि गलत पोस्चर में फिर से कंटिन्यूअसली बैठना शुरू कर देंगे. विल अवॉइड द वॉकिंग, विल अवॉइड द एक्सरसाइज. चलो आज लेट उठे, अभी तो ठीक है, बैक इज नॉट हर्टिंग, ओके लेट्स स्किप द जिम, लेट्स स्किप द एक्सरसाइज पॉइंट. So that is where it comes back.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I have one comment like, but I don't know whether it is related to back pain. What is chiropathy, doctor?
Okay,
CHEROPATHY.
या कीरोप्रैक्टिक एक्चुअली अगर आप नॉर्मल हम लोगों के यहाँ की लैंग्वेज की बात करें तो जिनको हम मालिश वाले या जो पहलवान लोग जो फ्रैक्चर अलाइनमेंट कर देते हैं या थोड़ी बहुत मस्कुलो रिलेटेड डिसऑर्डर्स को ठीक कर लेते हैं, चीरोप्रैक्टिक्स.
अच्छा.
तो
हाँ,
उन लोगों को कहते हैं जीरोप्रैक्टिक्स। तो वो दे आर कंजर्वेटिव मेथड्स, वो उससे भी इसको मैनेज किया जाता है, बट उसका रूट कॉज जो है वो नहीं ठीक हो सकता उस सब से। लाइक मैं अगर आपको अपनी बात शेयर करती हूँ, तो मेरे स्पाइन में इतनी प्रॉब्लम आ गई थी कि जो शेप थी स्पाइन की वो इतनी डिस्टॉर्टेड हो गई थी कि व्हेन आई वेंट टू अ डॉक्टर ही सेड कि ये एक्स्ट्रा बोन ग्रोथ हो गई है यहाँ पे। बट लेटर ऑन विद कंजर्वेटिव मेथड्स ओनली आई वेंट ऑन, तो उससे अभी दैट बोन इज नॉट विजिबल ऑन माय बैक, मतलब अभी वो फील नहीं होता, दैट वाज नॉट बोन, पर वो स्पाइन की शेप ही इतनी डिस्टॉर्टेड हो गई थी कि वो बोन जैसा लग रहा था, राइट। तो उससे अब क्या हुआ, जो मैंने कुछ कंजर्वेटिव मेथड्स किए, लाइक वन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दैट वाज अभ्यंगम, वी कॉल इट इन आयुर्वेदा अभ्यंगम, एंड इन नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज वी कॉल इट मालिश। सो दैट रियली हेल्प with all the other things like physiotherapy helps, थोड़े दिन तो फिजियोथेरेपी आप करते रहो, it helps। जब आप छोड़ दोगे तो बैक पेन, नॉट ओनली बैक पेन, कोई भी पेन, इट विल कम बैक, राइट।
come back.
हाँ,
So
तो जब
that also I also experienced that in our place it used to call panchkarma massage with
yes,
some oil. It was like very, I mean, smell. So I did, but for some particular time or period, 1 hour, 2 hour, it was pain I used not to feel. But again it comes. So I don't think that is the permanent solution.
that
That
is again I'm saying these are all conservative methods because they help you manage pain, they do not treat the disorder,
okay.
right। so they do not treat the underlying cause or the underlying disorder, like वो आपकी शेप नहीं ठीक करेंगे स्पाइन की, बट वो टेम्पररी रिलीफ आपको जरूर मिलेगा। अब शेप ठीक करने के लिए अगर आपकी पेन ठीक होगी, आप उठोगे, आप वॉक करोगे, आपकी मसल्स की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी बनेगी, उनकी मसल स्ट्रेंथ वापस आएगी, तो आप उनको यूज करोगे, लाइक मसल ट्रेनिंग करते हैं तो मसल यूजेज होती है ना, तो उनकी स्ट्रेंथ वापस आएगी, तो धीरे धीरे स्पाइन का कर्वेचर जो है वो ठीक होगा।
Great. So it was nice. So any thing else like would you like to advise to people for back pain, like in terms of you have covered almost everything, but like final advice if you would like to give to the
Yeah, I would just
audience.
tell them that back pain is one of the reasons that you know 10 main diseases of the world that people become disabled. Disabled means they do not go to work. This is
Oh,
what the definition of disability here is. The top 10 diseases में है back pain, but
okay.
please do believe that कि इस बैक पेन से बाहर भी आप अपनी ही कोशिश से आ सकते हैं। और कुछ
Oh,
बैड डेज होते हैं सबके साथ, सबको कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स रहती हैं, तो जिनके साथ बैक पेन का इश्यू है क्योंकि उनकी डेली एक्टिविटीज हर्ट होती हैं, तो वो बहुत ज्यादा इसको दिल पे ले जाते हैं। Like I remember one of the acquaintance to me, she developed back pain after the birth of her baby, and one day she called me up and told me that I'm fed up of the life. I'm everything, like she was very depressed and sounding depressed because she said कि my baby was crying like anything and I could not hold him because you cannot lift the objects when you have back pain. So she said कि अगर मैं अपने बच्चे को नहीं देख सकती तो मेरे जीने का क्या मतलब है।
mm,
तो उस टाइम पे फैमिली सपोर्ट बहुत जरूरी हो जाती है।
great.
अगेन यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा एक एस्पेक्ट फिर से मैं मेंटल हेल्थ का ला रही हूँ बिकॉज आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस विद सो मेनी पीपल कि अगर आपके पास कोई सपोर्ट सिस्टम नहीं है, मतलब फैमिली सपोर्ट सिस्टम नहीं है जो आपको इमोशनल सपोर्ट दे, तो किसी भी प्रॉब्लम से, फिर वो बैक पेन ही क्यों ना हो, जो कि बहुत ही अंडररेटेड प्रॉब्लम है, ऑल्दो जो लोग एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं वही जानते हैं कि ये कितनी बुरी प्रॉब्लम है, लाइक मतलब हाउ मच इट एक्चुअली अफेक्ट्स यू। तो आपके पास एक सपोर्ट सिस्टम होना चाहिए इमोशनल लेवल पे, जो कि आपको इस सब से बाहर निकलने में हेल्प करेगा। लेकिन उससे भी ज्यादा जरूरी है आपका पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट। नेवर एवर फॉरगेट और अंडररेट द वैल्यू ऑफ पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड इन फिजिकल डिसऑर्डर्स आल्सो।
Great. So this made me think that like if I mean I or men's gents get problem, they will take rest, but women still has to do work in
Yeah,
most of the case.
right, she has to take care of the family, but that is where I said na that family support is very
Support.
important for both of them, like either it's male or the female, family
Yes.
support is needed. So if the viewers are listening me, they are the males, they should help their, female people in the family in their things, and consider them that maybe they are suffering from some problem, not only back pain, maybe some other health issues. So they should be taken care of. That is where the family importance of family, becomes visible.
Great. So great. So we covered almost a lot of insight, and once again, like we have a time constraint. Like I know you are so busy, and from that you take out time for me. So I'm really grateful and thank you very much for coming to the live show, Doctor.
Thank you so much. It was my pleasure sharing my insights on this topic. So hope everybody is healthy and safe out there.
So about your like mission, if you're working on something other than medical and all in society, and if you'd like to share about your mission and people to get
I only have a vision as of now to create an awareness about the mental well-being. Again, I'm stressing that you would have even realized that I have mentioned this thing so many times in the whole of my interview, because I have realized the importance of this issue that we tend to ignore. Like अगर आज हमें कोई छोटा बच्चा आके बोलता है ना कि मैं बहुत परेशान हूँ, तो हम सोचते भी नहीं हैं, मेरा ऐसे ही बोल रहा है ये तो, लाइक ठीक है इनको क्या परेशानी है, बट बच्चे हों, बड़े हों, यंगस्टर्स हों, एवरीबॉडी इज सो मच सो स्ट्रेस्ड आउट कि वो उस चीज का पता ही नहीं है लोगों को. पीपल कैन नॉट एक्नॉलेज दैट. तो आई वुड से बी अ सपोर्ट सिस्टम टू एटलीस्ट वन पर्सन around you, so
great.
that we together can build a well-being in the society.
Yes, great.
That's it.
Great insight. So thank you very much once again, Doctor. And viewer can follow Dr. Gurpreet on Facebook, and from there we'll get the other page and other links. Once again, thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.